Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of rock damage here that was sustained the other day as I was driving. Tesla quoted me, and this is about, so you can see it's smaller than 5 cents, much smaller. Tesla wants to charge me $1,700 to fix this. I'm gonna go to another place. Hopefully they can fix it for less. We'll see. Okay, so I'm at the Richmond Hill Auto Glass. We just had this fixed, and I think that little dot there is all that's remaining of it. Otherwise, there's nothing else. So thank God for that. So that was like 80 bucks to fix it. So whew, thank goodness it's not $1,700. 1 month after the initial repair, a big huge crack showed up. Okay, so there's a very long crack starting from here all the way over here, and it winds across all the way to the roof. So I'm gonna have to get Tesla to take a look at this, because that's like over a foot long, this crack. I don't think this windshield is gonna last. See how much it would cost to repair this thing, or if it's under warranty. Okay, I'm at the Vaughan Tesla Service Center picking up my Tesla. It's almost midnight. Apparently they service vehicle until 11:30 at night. So it's just done. Looking for my vehicle now. It's somewhere here. There are a lot of Teslas all over. I just have to look for my car now. Whew. Okay, finally found my car. They had to fix the crack, as mentioned before. The windshield just cracked on the top, and so now they had to replace the entire glass. They had to reprogram the cameras here, recalibrate them, and also another thing that they fixed was the trunk. Apparently there was some issues with the O-rings, so they were replaced. I'm not exactly sure where that part, but I think maybe it's the power struts. Not exactly sure. Okay, the point of this whole thing is that when you have windshield issues, don't go to any glass place. Go to Tesla and have it repaired. There was another person at the same time that had a stone chip, and it cost about $250 to get it repaired, rather than going to the glass place, having it repaired, and then bringing it back to Tesla. That's the moral of this whole story. For watching.